Yeah. Here is what? Spring. Yeah. Tell me. No. Common topics. Yeah. Tomorrow, small change is there in the timing. That is not 11 a.m. It is 7:30 a.m. It's going to be 7:30 a.m. That's one small support I need. I'll update because people are complaining you are not updating Google Drive regarding timings. Spring Boot Redis cache, guys. I hope it will be open. Yeah. What is this drama nowadays? Why this drama nowadays, guys? Eat dry. Class content. What is there? Class content. Spring. Tell me. Common topics. Next one. Spring Boot Redis cache. Open with paint. Open with photos. Edit, guys. Arey, what's happening? Arey, what's happening, guys? Uh, Reopen. Right click, open with photos. Edit. Where Zoomra? What can I do? Not allowing to crap. What the hell is happening, guys? Save as copy. What is this drama? There is a actually gap. Lot of gap is there. 1 minute. Problem is mouse or problem with me? Yeah. I think something got changed. Let me go for, yeah. Right click, open with paint. D1000 plus is there. 17 also not working. Well, it came in my system or every system same? I think Windows updated as very bad people, these Windows people. Okay, we lost some content. No problem. We lost some content. Yeah, maybe code is there. Yeah, improved code is given, nothing else. Yeah, more improved code by enabling what? Caching. This REST controller is not an important one. We can copy paste in part 2 also. Okay, no problem. We'll lose this content and yes, we'll save it because entire caching logic is there in what? Service class. Entire caching logic we will place in what, guys? Service class. See? Yeah, here delete ID, this one, and actor API sequence, no problem. I'll paste the code application. I'll place the application in the part 2. Yeah, main information is there, guys. Main information is there. Only coding part we are worried now. We will take in what? Second part. Okay, we'll save this. Already one version is there. Improvised version I'll paste after developing the application. Fine. Okay. Now control E. I don't want to take a chance. 13,000. Yeah. Okay. I think I can reduce, it seems. Yeah. Reduce. Okay. Fine. Let's open this. Yeah. We have not lost much, guys. Only example code is missed. Anyhow, we'll go for it. Yes. Right. Let's come back to the subject. Huh? I did not get you. We lost the coda. Can we undo it? What's happening, guys? What is this paint? Why is paint is suffering like this? No problem. Okay, we assume we lost totally. Nothing to worry. We'll go to Google Drive. Anyhow, in 1 hour other batch, we have a backup, right? That's why I'm able to play with that like anything. Confidently. I think last batch 7 a.m., right? And 7 a.m. also they are attending this topic here. 11 o'clock batch. 11. 11 Spring Boot Redis cache. Is there? Where? Little up. Yeah. Spring Boot Redis cache. Here is what? Download. I have to download. Yeah. Go to downloads folder, guys. Go to downloads folder, guys. Waste of time all these are. Yeah. E drive. Where is this? Class content. Spring. Common topics. Spring Boot Redis cache. Say paste. Okay. Yeah. Problem has come. Straight away you reduce the size. 30,000 is there. Okay, we have to change that one to 16,000. Okay, what we missed, we will discuss. I think main part is there nicely. Main part is there. Remaining things, how to get it. Yeah, I think only coding is missing, guys. What is missing? Only coding part is missing. That part, anyhow, I'll paste. Improvised application part is missing. That we will discuss in the second part. Okay, na? I'll give another document having that. I'll definitely give another document having that. Yeah, let's come back to this. Yeah, Redis cache. Spring Boot data module is having one submodule called Spring Boot Data Redis to locate and interact with what? Redis NoSQL database software. As on today, Redis is used as what? Cache or buffer between Java application and Spring application and database to hold records or objects for temporary period and use them across the multiple database software operations. What guys? Multiple database software operation. Redis stands for what? Remote Dictionary Server. It is mainly used in how many angles? 3 angles. As key value pair database software, that is NoSQL. As cache between application and database software, best is used. As MOM, message oriented middleware software. What software, guys? Since there are multiple database software, especially what? NoSQL database software in the market like what? MongoDB, Cassandra, etc. So we don't prefer using what? Redis as what? Database software. Since there are multiple MOM softwares like RabbitMQ, ActiveMQ, Kafka, etc. We don't prefer using Redis as what? MOM software. Redis is very popular. What is there? As the cache or buffer between application and database software to reduce network round trips between Java application and database software across the multiple same calls or queries execution. Check it out. Check the problem part, guys. This is my Java application, right? Query 1. What is query 1? Problem explain. Get products whose price greater than 1,000. Execute the query, we got the result. Query to same query. Execute the query, got the result. But within 10 seconds, do you think number of products will increase or decrease? No. Within seconds won't change. Within minutes may change, but within seconds won't change. But we are unnecessarily wasting network round trips, network traffic. Aisa no na, guys. Okay. According to your application designing, how much time you are able to use old data, analyze that. Till that time, you keep the results, data coming from database software in buffer or cache. Okay. Data coming from database software in what? Buffer or cache. That will definitely fulfill your requirement or not there. Yeah. Let's see. Interaction with the database software is happening for multiple time by using network resources for multiple time across the multiple executions of the same query. Super. See the solution, guys? See the solution? Yeah. Solution. Java application or other application. 1A, it is searching. This query results are there in buffer or not. 1B are not available. Talking to database. 1D executing the query. 1D executing the query. 1E getting the results. 1E getting the results and keeping the results in buffer or cache are not there. Okay. Next one, then results are passed to application. That is 1F. Okay. Next one, guys. 1F. Okay. Now look at this another one. Okay. Look at the another one, guys. 2A. What is there? Green color. 2A. Same query, guys. 2A. Same query. Clear, my dear? Yes. It will search the results in what? Buffer or cache. It will search the results in what? Buffer or cache. Are you getting my point there? Okay, but this time available. They are available. And they are directly given to application or not there. Because of this, the network round trips between Java application and database software is reduced or not there. Suppose this buffer period or inside the buffer object period I have kept as 1 minute. Within 1 minute, let the 1,000 request, let the 2,000 request. Okay, especially having same requirement. Products having price greater than 1,000, right? So it will happily collect from the buffer or not there. Yes. After 1 minute or 2 minutes, once those objects are expired, again empty, not found, goes to database, gets again puts into the buffer or cache or not there. Again, it simply thinks about putting into what buffer or cache or not there, guys. Super. Okay. It's recommended to empty the cache or buffer, empty the cache or update the cache at regular intervals for what? Better results. While working with buffer or cache or not there. Simply while working with buffer or cache are not there, guys. Super. Advantages of what? Redis. Redis allows storing key and value pairs at as large as 512 MB as a NoSQL database software. Can be used as what? In-memory NoSQL database. Listen, guys. We have in-memory SQL database software H2. Do you have any in-memory NoSQL database software? Not. We can bring Redis for that purpose or not there. Yeah. Redis uses its own hashing mechanism called Redis hashing to decide the order of storing item. And while maintaining this cache item, it will use its own algorithm. It will use what? Its own algorithm to maintain the items. Redis offer data replication. Replicated data can be used as what? Backup data. Redis has clients in all popular programming languages. Redis is not specific to Java, guys. It can be used in Java and what? Non-Java environment. Redis offer PubSub messaging system as a mom software. Redis allows inserting huge amount of data into its cache very easily. Cache with what? Huge range. Redis can be installed as small scale devices also, even useful on what? Mobile devices. Redis protocol makes it simple to implement a client. Developing client application to collect the data from cache if it is there. If not there, getting data, putting into cache becomes easy or not there. Redis supports what? Transactions. While executing set of commands, we can implement what? Do everything or what? Nothing principle. Do everything or what? Nothing principle. We can happily implement what concept, guys? Happily we can implement what? Okay. Do everything or nothing principle or not there, guys? Say something, guys. Come on. While executing set of commands, Redis we can implement do everything or what? Nothing principle. Redis. Remote dictionary server software is single software that can be used as what? Small database software or cache or what? Mom software. Cache or what? Mom software. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super. Redis software installation. We can install Redis software either as what? WSI or what? ZIP file. Okay, I got the ZIP file here from some URL zip. Extract the ZIP file. Okay, Redis software server. This is the software. Memcache, Hazelcast, Aerospike, Couchbase. All these are alternate now, my dear. Yes. Example application on Spring REST application using what? Spring data to interact with what? MySQL database software. Okay, first I'm going to show the problem part. Without cache, how the problem looks, right? So later we apply. Cache abstraction we have to take to understand the solution. But first of all, I want to go for it. Okay, first let's keep Redis server ready, boss. This PC, D drive, come on. This PC, D drive, Apache Redis, uh, Redis server soft, Redis server soft. What is there? Redis server.exe. Run as administrator. Say OK. This is Redis. This is what? Redis. Okay, that's fine. E drive, workspace. First, you have to feel the problem. First, feel the problem, then I'll give the solution. Yeah, workspace, Spring. (1103). That means here Redis related classes. Where can I see whether I pasted or not? What is it? Yeah, 7.1. Where is the code? I don't want to develop entire application from scratch. I just want to remove cache part and I want to show the problem part. Help me in finding that. It should be in 11 only, guys. It should be there in 11 o'clock batch. Cache. Cache, cache. Arre, what's happening today? All back bouncers. MongoDB, Redis. Up where? Where? Right. Boot Redis cache browse 01. Okay, that's good. Copy this. Workspaces, Spring. Yeah, 7191 copy. Next, 6191 copy. Okay. 6191 copy. Okay, that's good. Wait a minute. This is Eclipse IDE. First, fill the problem. I'll remove cache support, everything from the project by commenting everything. And I'll demonstrate the problem. Even 1 minute. Even Redis cache is also not ready. Nothing is ready. First feel the problem, then we can apply the solution. Yeah, where is this? 6D19. Close all editors. That's fine. Yeah, where is the open? You have to open it now, boss? Yes. Import existing projects into workspace. Browse. Spring. Tell me. 619. 619. In 619, what is the one we have to select, guys? Boot cache. Boot cache pros 01. Is there now, guys? Boot cache pros 01. Clear, guys? Yes. Here is my what? Application dot properties. Here is my application dot properties. One minute. We'll keep this. Yes. We'll connect it to database. Okay. Now I'm removing cache support, guys. Yeah, same project. We'll take same project. Okay. First we'll remove, then we'll first no cache support, nothing. What to do for cache support, we will discuss later. Com.nt, guys. Yeah. Enable caching, enable scheduling. Both you remove. Right? Yeah. Go to pom.xml, guys. Go to pom.xml. It's okay. Go to pom.xml. Yeah, data JPI, Jackson data format XML. Comment this, Lambda KPI required, starter, connector J. These are cache related entries, right? I removed what? Cache related entries. Because right now we are in a process of understanding the problem. Yeah, why there is a red mark, guys? Yeah, red mark related to package imports, don't worry. Because I commented them now, guys. That's why. Yeah, this is also related to what? Caching only. That is also related to caching only. Leave it. Fine. Even this is done now, my dear. It's, okay. Go to first. Go to what? iActor. Go to entity class. What class, guys? Entity. Actor.java. Anything special, guys, in this one? Regular. Actor ID. Actor name, address, category, fee. Simple entity class with the generator configuration. Yes. This is actor entity class. Next, repository. iActor repository. Extend from crude repository. You don't like CRUDA? Go for what? JPA repository. Anything great in this, guys? Okay. Next, go to service. Go to service. Yeah, Redis cache cleaner something is there. Okay. You comment it because we are least bothered about the scheduling and other things, right? Yes. You save it. You remove whatever not used, you remove it. Right, boss. Okay. Comment this also. Fine. Whole indirectly everything is commented, guys. We'll come to that later. Okay. Because right now we are understanding problem part. I actor management service, register actor, show all actors, fetch actor by ID, update actor fee, remove actor by ID, remove actors by IDs. For this, we are taking multiple methods, right? Okay. Actor service IMPL injected. Wherever cache related entries are there, you comment it. Listen, nothing is there. Small signal. Earlier, we used to get the string object. We are getting actor object. Why, sir? Very simple. The annotations related to caching, what they are returned, they will be kept in the cache. That's why I'm not taking string as a return type. I'm taking what? Object. Except that is it same numbers? Save actor, right? Forget about this. Caching related everything, you forget about it. Yeah, tell me what is there. We are getting it and we are sorting it, whatever it is, and we are returning it, right? Okay. Next, remove that. We'll discuss. We'll discuss everything. Okay. Yeah, your logic is there, guys, to update the actor by a percentage. Yes. Here, what is there? To find the actor, guys. Tell me next. To remove the actors by IDs. To simply remove the actors by IDs. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Right. Yeah. So first, we'll go to runner class. What class, guys? Runner class. Forget about all this stuff. Yeah. Just go to properties file, guys. Just go to properties file. Logical DB. What is our logical DB? 619 DB. I think it should there or not there. I doubt. Go to workspace. First fill the problem. Solution will come automatically. Connection 1. What's the logical DB, guys? 619 dB. NTSP-BMS 619 dB. NTSP-BMS 619 dB. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Right. Yeah. Okay. Now we are trying to understand the problem by removing everything related to caching, right? Okay, now you run the application. Okay, I think we commented everything. There's nothing to do, it seems. Go to runner class. First, we try to insert the actor. We try to insert the actor. We try to insert the actor, right? Yeah. Mahesh one, Hyderabad one, something, guys. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, towards insertion, nothing great, guys. It simply inserts a record, right? It simply what? Inserts a record. Go to this tables. Where is this actor? Actor underscore sequence, actor ID sequence. Where is actor, guys? Say refresh. Where is actor, actor, actor? Yeah, this one it seems. Yeah. Select rows. 100 Hyderabad one, this, right? Okay. Now it is saved, guys. What is the 100? 100 has come, right? Okay. And okay. Now you go to this, guys. You go to this. No saving here this time. You comment saving, right? Yes. You try to get the same actor for multiple times. How many times? 3 times. Here what? 100. Here what? 100. Here what? 100. Fetch actor by ID 100, 100, 100. I'm trying to get the same actor three times more. First time it will hit the database software, gets it. But no cache is involved this time. We disabled everything of cache, right? We disabled everything of what? Cache. Then what happens? Multiple times it will hit the database software. How to feel whether it is hitting database software multiple times or not? It generates multiple SQL queries or not there. Each SQL query generation talks about what? Each hit to database software. Each query generation talks about what? Each hit to database software. Right click, run as Java application. Yes. Check it out. First time query generation, second time query generation, third time query generation. All the time query generation is happening or not there? First time query generation, second time query generation, third time query generation. All the 3 times query generation is taking place or not there? Taking place or not there, guys? Come on, guys. I want reply, my dear. Come on. Super. Yeah, first, second, third. First one, second one, third one. Actor, actor one, actor two. That means they are wasting network round trips between Java application and database software. Okay, now I want to bring Redis cache into picture, right? Okay. When you decided to bring Redis cache into picture, guys, okay? When you decided to bring Redis cache into picture, first of all, you should add starter. What is the first one? You have to add what? Starter. What's the first one? The first one that we have to add is this one. Yeah. Spring Boot starter cache and Redis cache. This is generic jar to work with any cache. But to tell that I'm working with Redis cache, this one. First one. And next one. Start Redis server. What is that? Yeah, start server. Where is this? D drive. What is there? Redis server soft. Here is what? Redis server.exe. Run as what? Started or not there, guys? Okay, that's good. It is started. Okay, number 3. It started, but you have to make your application connecting to that now, boss. Yes. How to make your application connecting to that? Application dot properties, boss. What is there? Yeah. Connect, connect. You're making your application connecting to that or not there, guys? Super. Type Redis localhost 6379. 6379 is the port number of Redis server. Right. But how to make application container, you have to deal with what? Caching. For that one, you have to go for enable caching. Enable caching. And I have to tell to Redis cache, you are activated fine. Whenever I call certain method, that is giving me object. What object? Actor object. You put that one having ID value as the criteria value. ID value as the key, object as the value. Go to service class method, guys. Where is this? Go to what? Service class method, guys. Okay. Go to what? Service class method. Fetch actor by ID is there now, boss. At the rate cacheable. Okay. At the rate cache. And whatever method returned object, it will put into the cache, right? Value actor cache. Array, for cache region will be there. For cache what? Cache region. In that cache, with what name you want to put the data, with what name you want to identify data. That is what? Actor cache. Key is equal to hash ID. What is this hash ID? Nothing is there. This param is there now, guys. This is expression, spell, my dear. This is not property name. Property name is AID, Rababu. Which one you want to use as a press one? Property name is what? AID. Is not that. It is what? Parameter. Okay. That means in this cache, you hold this object, okay, having given ID value. If 100 given 100, 200 given 200 as the criteria value. Simply as what? Criteria value. So this is called cache region. And this is what? Key in the cache region. One is cache region, other one is what? Key in the cache region. Everyone getting my point, my dear? Key in the cache region. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Okay. Array, at the rate cacheable is there to put whatever you receive as the return value of method, that will be placed into the cache. Super. Okay, now was first what I did? Started cache server, added starters, connected to Redis cache by adding entries in this one. Enable caching is kept. Come on. Enable caching is kept or not there? Tell me next one. Okay, at the rate cacheable. There are total 3 annotation. Cacheable, cache put, cache evict. Cacheable in order to store method returned objects into the cache. Okay, next one. Cache put. Cache put is there. Whenever you do save and update operations, some new objects are created. What is there? Updated. This updated and saved object should be there in cache. So that what happened? After save operation, when you do select operation, it won't hit the database software. It will collect from the cache. While saving, it is saved and put into the cache. Right? It's saved and put into the cache. Immediately you do select operation, it will collect from the cache only. While updating also, same thing now, boss. While updating also, same story or not there. Yeah. But right now we are worried about what? Cacheable. Right. Now check it out. You run the application, right click, run as Java application. This time you observe, guys, only first time it has generated query, hit the database software, got the data. Second, third time, it's just collecting data from cache or not. That means it is reducing network round trips or not. What's the guarantee? What's the guarantee? Inside the Redis cache, that cache region is created having this key, right? Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. First, you feel the open Redis CLI. Keys star. What is there? Key star. All the keys will come or not there? All the keys will come or not there, guys? Okay. Now you run the application second time, guys. Second, by the time I run second time, even first call also having data in the cache itself. So what happens, guys? Even first call also gets what? The cache is still running. Redis cache is still running. Even now, first method call also get from the cache only, na guys. Check it out. Even first from cache, second from cache, third from cache. Because cache is not in the application. Application lifetime is very small, beginning to end. But cache is what? In the middle. Come on. Cache is in running. Though application shut down, cache is running. Are you noticing it, guys? That's the second time even first method call is collecting from cache only, na boss. Did you notice it? Okay, what's the guarantee those keys are created and other stuff? Okay, go to this Redis CLI.exe. Run as what? Administrator. Keys are keyna. Actor cache 100 is there or not there? Actor cache is the cache region name, 100 is the key. Okay, now I want to empty it. I want to delete it. Okay, when I delete again, it is performing things or not. Yeah. Get prod. Okay, if you want to get the content of it, that's one. Del prods, 101. Okay, tell me, Del, where is this? Actors cache, 100. Okay, positive. Integer means positive. Integer 1 means positive. Empty list are set. Empty list are what? Set. Empty list are what? Set. Now you run the application. Right click, run as Java. This time only first time it will collect to database by generating query. Second, third time it will collect locally or not there. Second, third time it will definitely collect locally or not there. What do you say, guys? Is it happening or not happening? Is it really happening or not happening? Convinced with me or not there? Super, guys. Okay, tell me. Actor cache. Again, it came back to the picture or not? So my theory and practical is matching or not matching? What's the beauty of this? It's not cache is an application side, is in the middle. Though application running or not running, cache will be there, right? Yes. This is cacheable. Now, study some theoretical concepts now. I think you got the problem and solution part. Okay. I think now you understood problem and what solution part. Redis cache. Develop the Spring Boot REST application data adding following annotations. Number one, enable caching on the top of main class on the to make application ready for caching. Cacheable. On the top of the methods that perform what? Select operation in service class. Each retrieved records. What is there? Each retrieved record related Java class object will be placed in what? A cache. Whenever you are doing select operation where you are retrieving the records, we have to go for cacheable or not there. Yeah. Here is what? Cacheable. Here is what? Cache put. On the top of method that performs select operation in service class, each retrieved records related Java class objects will be placed in what? Cache. To keep the objects that perform save object and update object operation in DB table. To keep the object that performs in what database? Array, this is whenever I performed insert update, some objects are coming. The updated object, inserted object will be there in cache. So after immediate update, immediate insertion, if you do retrieving without hitting database software from cache only, data can be gathered or not there. This annotation keeps method returned objects in what? Cache. Cache evict. What is there? Evict. Removes the object from what? Cache. When related records are deleted from what? DB table. When related records are deleted from DB table. Okay, now come back. Okay. Records are deleted from DB table. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, how to run all this stuff. What's the difference between local cache and distributed class? Local cache is specific to current application. Distributed cache is common for what? Multiple. Right now, Redis cache is distributed cache or local cache, guys? Distributed cache. Because the cache data, by using same cache reason names, keys, other applications also can use it or not there. The database software that is kept in the database software data that is kept in cache, that is kept in cache. Cache is used by only one application, then it is called as what? Local cache. I think if I add the word if there, if the database software data that is kept in cache is used by only one application, then it is called what? Local cache. Definitely it is called as what? Local cache. If the cache data is used by multiple application, then it is called what? Distributed cache. Generally, microservice environment. What environment? We take the support of what? Distributed cache. Redis cache can be used as both local cache and what? Distributed cache. Redis cache can be used as what? Both local cache and what? Distributed. Yeah, tell me. Application 1. I'm selecting country, guys. Okay. I'm selecting country. Okay. That goes there, gets the record, keep in cache and given. So this data is used by only the current application or not there. Check it out. Microservice 1, microservice 2. And here I am asking country, here I am giving country. Okay, now what happens, guys? Okay, whatever cache data that is there in the distributed cache will be used by multiple applications or not there. In microservice environment, cache data should be used by one application or multiple application. Okay, there we need a distributed cache support or not there, guys. Super. Super. Our application or microservice connects to Redis server by using what? Redis connection factory object, which will be created by taking support of what? server URL, username, password. In Spring Boot application, we need not to create Redis connection factory object manually because that will be created automatically through what? Auto configuration process by collecting the details from what? Application.properties or what? YML file. Application.properties or what? YML file. This is Java application. This is Redis server, guys. In between, what is there? Redis connection factory. What is there? Redis what? Connection factory. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah, that comes under what, guys? Redis connection factory. Collects Redis server URL, username, password details from application.properties or what? YML. The Redis cache of Redis server is maintained in the form of what? Key value pairs. That means all the objects placed in Redis cache representing what? Records are identified with cache name called what? Keys. Cache name called what? Keys. This represent connectivity between what? Java application and Redis server. What is the difference between cache buffer and session management technique? Cookie, HTTP session, cookie URL rewriting. Because that is also remembering data, na, sir? Yes or no, na? Because in session management also application data is remembered. Here also application data. Array, session management data is specific to each client. Come on. But cache data is not specific to each client. It is common for what? All the client. And session management works only in web application, but this caching works in what? Web applications and non-web application. We can see cache working in what? Web applications and what? Non-web applications. Getting my point, my dear? Session management techniques work only in what? Web application. To remember, client data across the multiple requests during a session. Login to log out, start of online game to end of online game, this. Buffer or cache will be there between what? Client and server, residing at what? Client side. Remembering the data collected from what? Server. Across the multiple same requests to reduce network round trips between what? Client and server application. This cache buffer can be used in what? Web application, distributed application. Remembering database software data or other external application data across the multiple same requests are not there. Say something, guys. Across the multiple same requests are not there. Session management remembers the client data across the multiple requests during a session, whereas cache buffer remembers the data, backend data forever, right? It's one, it is forever, it is not specific to one client, where cache or buffer common to multiple client. But when it comes to what session management, the data is specific to one client or not there. Super. What are the alternate caching software? Memcache, Apache Ignite, Hazelcast, a number of Aerospike, Couchbase, a number of things are there or not there. Many options are there or not there, guys. Okay. Fine. What are the things I have done for working with cache, guys? First started Redis server, then added starters. Then in application.property, added entries for connectivity, enable caching. That is important. Then we have to use annotation. What are the important annotation? Cacheable, cache put, cache put, cache evict. Cacheable, cache put, and cache evict. Everyone understanding my statement, my dear? Got it or not there? What is the difference between cache buffer, session management technique, cookie, HTTP session with cookie, URL rewriting, and etc.? Many options are there or not there, guys? Yeah, now let's see. The moment object is saved, I want to see in the cache. So that when I do next select operation, it won't hit the database software. From cache only, it will collect the object. Okay, go to runner, guys. Go to runner. Okay, first let me put. This is save object operation now, guys. Yes, not this. 1 minute. This is a save object operation now, guys. Yeah, actor cache. What is the parameter? Actor. Actor dot AID. Actor is this one. AID is the property name. Indirectly, primary key value you want to as a criteria value or not. Same cache I am using. Same cache means what? The objects came through select, the object came through update, everything will be in the same region, right? Okay. Cache put. Whatever this method return, that object you put in the cache having this as the key, right? Okay. Now you go to runner class. Now you comment the select operation. Yeah, no need of this select. Yeah, you come to save object, save actor operation. Yes, all right. Immediately you perform select operation. Immediately you perform select operation. Yeah, here I'll try to get some name. Reference variable name can be anything because already actor word is used now, but that's why. Right. I think this time it will generate. Okay. I think Prabhas. What is Prabhas? New movie Hitta Fatta? Raja Shop. Anyone watch it? Watch it, huh? Good? Bad? Average? Yeah. Actor is saved with what? ID value. Yeah. I think this time next record means you will get 101 now, guys. Okay. Next record will come with what? 101. See? Here insert query generated, record inserted. Whatever object come, that is kept in cache, right? That is definitely kept in what? Cache. Whatever object come, that definitely kept in what? Cache. Actor service dot this. Check it out. Right click, run as Java. It will insert the record, but it will do select operation. It will do select operation without performing any select query generation. That means it has collected from the cache or not there. What's the guarantee it is there in the cache? Keys star. Okay, already 100 is there. Now it is putting 101. That means it is there in the cache or not there. Okay, now get actor cache 101. Okay, actors cache. Actors cache 1. Hey. Actors cache. Case sensitive. I don't think so. Yeah. So it's giving the data or not there. Oh, I think you understood cache put. Method returned object will be kept in the cache. The method returned object is kept in the cache. Is it not interesting, my dear? Okay. Okay, now I'm able to feel all these are there. Now, I want to delete specific one, guys. Del. Okay, now I want to delete all the keys at once. I want to delete all the keys at once. Flush all, sure? Can I trust you people? Flush all. Flush all. Okay, after saying flush all, enter key. Keys star. empty list. All are emptied or not there. We're able to do all these activities now, boss. Yeah. Where are these commands, sir? I kept these commands somewhere here. Check it out. I kept these commands somewhere here. Check it out. To get each key, this one. Okay. Delete all the keys, all the cache regions. Okay, na? Cache region is a region in Redis cache where certain data will be placed. Understood? Okay. Like this, many other activities are there. One by one, we will take up when we meet in what? Tomorrow session, right? Okay. I think you understood basic story, guys. Convinced with me? Okay. Yeah, still many things are there. What are those? How to keep one object, fine. If your multiple objects are there, how to store it? Because one object means key is there. But yeah, multiple keys you'll use. That's all. How to store updated data, how to remove a certain thing, how to keep expiry time. That's a big challenge, right? Because, see, what's the problem? Now that 101 data forever there. But from database side or from other application, I'm updating that 101 record, right? But it will collect from cache only, na? Okay. What is the problem if you don't update the cache at regular intervals? Or if you don't update or if you don't empty the cache at regular intervals? This question might be eating your brain. Okay, now listen. I'll tell. Two friends invested in same stock market stock. One person is through Motilal Oswal stockbroker. Other one is from Jiroda. Okay. Okay. Motilal Oswal application is great. They have taken care of caching properly. They emptied the cache every 1 minute, right? Somehow, Jiroda people forgot to do. Let us assume. Let us assume. Both people invested in same stock, right? Okay. Person one. Both got up, taken breakfast, logged in for trading. Both verified. Okay. They purchased at 500. Okay. Opening is what? 501. Okay. Both started observing the screen. Parallelly, they are doing office work. They are doing what? Office work. Up to this, nice. Up to this, perfect. Motilal Oswal application cache is emptied every 1 minute. Right? Okay, whenever you press the refresh button within the 1 minute, from the cache, value is coming. After 1 minute, when you press refresh button, since the cache is emptied, it is hitting database software, getting the latest value display. He noticed in the middle 570, then 550, then 540. Like these changes are happening. He's able to see. This fellow, cache is not properly there. That means no emptying of the cache. What he got at the morning, 501. And whenever he press refresh button, what is get? 501. What he thinks? Today market is stable. No, nothing is happening, right? Nothing is happening. But others say is able to up and downs, right? And at the evening 3 o'clock, okay, at the evening 3 o'clock, he realized market is crashing. Price is reduced to 450. Then he realized, he decided to sell it. He got just 50 rupees loss, right? Okay, parallel is busy in office work. Okay, he completed office work. Night 7 o'clock. Okay, both started talking to each other. And first person said, today market is very bad. Okay, I got 50 rupees loss. 50 into 1 lakh scare. It is 50 lakh rupees. It's very bad. Okay. Office work and this lot of tension is going on. This fellow said, my stock is very stable. Morning to evening, no change. My stock is same. Then after 10 minutes, the first person realized, "Hey, we both invested in same stock. Now, how come my stock got loss? How come you did not get the loss?" Then he thought that their application might be cheating them, right? Okay. Then I asked second person, do one thing, you log out and re-log in and try once. Okay, then he realized, okay, is that is 450, is now his price is 300. That means he got 200 loss for each stock. Yes or no, guys? So caching, emptying cache at regular interval is very, very important or not? Cache is like a knife having two-side sharpness. Okay, if you know how to use it, it will be weapon. If you don't know how to use it, it may harm you also. It may do harm for yourself only, right? So that's why enabling caching is not a great thing. Anyhow, you will do it. Emptying cache is very, very important one. What is very, very important one, guys? Emptying cache at regular intervals is what? Very, very important aspect. Agree with me, guys? Convinced or not there, guys? Yeah. We'll discuss more on caching, boss, when we meet in what? Next class. Tomorrow.